Hello everyone. How life is going on at your side? I hope it will be going smoothly. I'm Dr. Ritu Mohan and welcome you all one more time on my YouTube channel Communication for Success. My today's video, as you can see on the screen, is about how to appreciate someone. Dear friends, we all know how great it is to receive a compliment. But did you know that giving a genuine compliment helps you feel happier and can even improve your relationship and mental health as well? Research has shown that when we do something kind, our brains release oxytocin, the hug hormone, that makes us feel really good. And giving someone a genuine compliment is one of the easiest way to practice kindness. In the same way, it feels great to receive a compliment. Getting a sincere compliment gives us the same positive boost as receiving cash, if I'm not wrong. The health and happiness benefits of the compliment giver are also well documented, means people remember it. Compliments really are one of the most easiest two-way streets available in terms of spreading happiness around you and increasing your own. The more you compliment, the better you feel, but it must be honest. Well, here are some examples of compliments to try out for yourself. So let us start. You can say to your friend that, of course, you are an awesome friend. You are a gift of those around you. You are a smart cookie. Your perspective is refreshing. I am grateful to know you. You light up the room. You are more helpful than you realize. You have got an awesome sense of humor when someone have good sense of humor. You are really courageous for a person who always take courage in doing something. You are even more beautiful on the inside. You have the courage of your convictions. You are making a difference. You bring out the best in other people. We can use this phrase for the people who are very good leaders because only a good leader can bring out the best in his team members. Hanging out with you is always a blast. Means there is a person in our friendship uh, with whom we can feel happy when we are outside, when we are on outing. So we can say hanging out with you is always a blast. Being around you makes everything better. Colors seem brighter when you are around. This very beautiful one. Colors seem brighter when you are around. Jokes are funnier when you tell them. Of course, there are some people who share the jokes in a more funny way. So we can say jokes are funnier when you tell them. You are a candle in the darkness. We can say this to a friend who always give us good knowledge, who can guide us. So we can say you are a candle in the darkness. You are better than a triple scoop ice cream cone. Yes, very sweet compliment. You are better than a triple scoop ice cream cone. The people you love are lucky to have you in their lives. Your creative potential seems limitless for those who are really creative, who think in a different sense. Any team would be lucky to have you on it. We can compliment this to any of our team members. You are someone's reason to smile, to a friend who always ready to help others. You are even better than a unicorn because you are real. You have a good head on your shoulders. Yes, head means here a sound mind, a helpful mind. So you have a good head on your shoulders. I bet you make babies smile. Babies are very innocent and near to God. And I think, like birds, they can feel who is harmless to them. So if someone can make babies happy or someone can make baby laughing, that is a really great person, a very kind person, very innocent person. So we can say, I bet you make babies smile. You are like sunshine on a rainy day. You always know how to find that silver lining. You are a candle in the darkness. Being around you is like a happy little vacation. You are like a breath of fresh air. You are someone's reason to smile. It's really great to make other people smile due to us. Is that your picture next to charming in the dictionary? Very impressive. Is that your picture next to charming in the dictionary? We can use this phrase to a friend who is really charming, not only physically but mentally. You are like a ray of sunshine on a really dreary day. Who raised you? They deserve a medal for a job well done. This compliment not only compliment the person but their parents as well. Who raised you? They deserve a medal for a job well done. Being around you is like being on a happy little vacation. Yes, this has come second time, but it's a very good one. So I'll conclude with two quotations on, of course, compliments and to praise someone. The best way to appreciate someone is to imagine your life without them. Yes, it is very true. The next one is everyone wants to be appreciated. So if you appreciate someone, don't keep it a secret. So in the end, I just want to say must compliment others when you feel for that. And the compliment should be very honest. This is very important. Our compliment can encourage someone, but a false compliment can make someone feeling proud. So I hope we will compliment others in a positive way, and I hope the things that I've shared with you, the content that I have shared with you, and the phrases that I have shared with you must help you in compliment others. And whenever you make any compliment for others, he or she must feel happy and the same you feel. So tell me in the comment box how was the video. I'll be back with a new one. Till then, as I always say, be happy, be healthy, be kind, and be vegetarian, please. Thank you.